Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. So today in this video we will talk about new custom ROM for Redmi 5 ROSY. So here you can see this is the custom ROM for Redmi 5. Let's check the specification of this ROM. Firstly I will turn off the black dark theme. Here is the dark theme. Let me turn it off and let's check the specification of this ROM Redmi 5. As you can see, so we will check out it. You will get the Android version 12 in this ROM. As you can see, this is the ArrowOS version 12.0 vanilla unofficial ROM. This is the not official version, but it is an unofficial, and the performance of this ROM is very good in this with this update, so don't worry, you will not feel any problem. And here is the 12/28 February security patch build date, as you can see, and February security patch. So today we will talk about this ROM, whether is this ROM good for gaming or not, or for daily usage. Is SafetyNet passed, or what is the score of the AnTuTu? Firstly we will check out the fingerprint of this ROM. All the features are the same, and here is the setting, Android level, Android 12 settings. You can customize it according to your use if you want, and here are some of the features of this ROM. Let me show you. There is no separate setting for the features. Wallpapers and styles is also available. Let me check out the fingerprint and the face unlock. If face unlock is not available, as you can see, let's check the speed of the fingerprint. Tap open. As you can see, fingerprint speed is amazing in this ROM. You will not feel any problem or any lag while using the fingerprint. The ROM is also good for daily usage, but I will not recommend this ROM for extreme gaming, as there will be some lag while using this ROM for gaming. For gaming you can go with other ROMs based on Android 11, not with Android 12. If you are a gamer with, if you are a user with minimal gaming, or you just play small games, not with the high graphics, then you can use this ROM for daily usage also. First let's check out the safety net, whether it is passed or not. I will not cover all the features of this ROM, as I have already discussed about the features. So as you can see, SafetyNet is passed, and Pubg performance is also great in this ROM. I will not check out the Pubg performance. I will check out only the Call of Duty performance in upcoming videos. So here is the AnTuTu score also, and we will check out the AnTuTu score and many other geek benchmark scores for different ROMs. And here is the CPU performance. The GPU performance is good, so don't worry. For normal usage it is great, and there is no lag or any problem. Let me talk about the battery. I have tested this ROM. Where is the battery? Here is the battery, about 4 hours remaining, 17 minutes remaining. And charging light is also working perfectly fine, and notification light, charging light, everything is working perfectly. And dual SIM is also working. Here is the battery usage. As you can see, here is the battery usage. I have used mobile network standby. As you can see, battery is good, so don't worry, you will not feel any problem while using it. For different processing, memory tasking, this ROM is good. And let's check the 3D mark test also. Here is the my results. Slingshot. Here is the slingshot 808 and 63% better than Xiaomi Redmi 5 devices. And the slingshot extreme 1 441 34%. As I have already told that this ROM is only for the daily usage, but not for extreme gaming. So personally you can use other ROMs for gaming. If you are a gamer, if you are looking a ROM for gaming, then you can try Lineage OS. There are many other ROM which I have discussed, and here are few of the applications which I have installed. Let's say the Geekbench or Geekbenchmark also. I think it is not working. No, it is not working. It was not working, so that's why there is no score available. And here is the VPN is also working perfectly in this ROM. YouTube is also working. You can use the YouTube if you want. There is no problem. There is no restart of this ROM. There is no app closing problem of this ROM in this ROM. So as you can see, you can easily play the videos without any problem. So if you like the video, press the like button, and as you can see, it was perfectly fine. There is no problem. Sound is working perfectly fine, so don't worry. Hotspot, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Volt, everything is working perfectly fine. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe my channel for daily updates.